here. Make a left turn because the guide is blocking your side, right? And they do something, I don't know. Over there. Make a right turn.
Make a right turn.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, stop one.
Because in
Yeah,
case if a car comes. Oh, there's a car coming.
You see? That's why. Yeah, who is running, they have right away. It's beautiful sky today, right? Make a right. Yeah, you did, yeah. Keep going. Make a right turn.
I want to let that car
Yeah,
go.
they have ready. I believe they have right away. Okay. Go. No, you're right away. So, but if you're late, you don't fight with them. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Because they also get out from their parking lot, right? So, you have right of way. You are waiting for the white color car, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
So, but when you are late, don't take the chance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is also officer. They get a calculation, so it's gonna be like inattentive to traffic, poor judgment in traffic, like that.
Yeah.
That's it. You have right of way. You give him chance, like that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So why you stop here? Why you stop? Go.
Oh.
No, it's gonna be. You cannot allow to. They have a stop sign,
Okay.
so they're supposed to wait for you, right?
Right.
So when you are standing, that means you lose your whole point. Really.
After.
This is a very good road here.